Imagine a plant that doesn't just rely on sunlight and water, but also consumes insects and small animals to survive. Welcome to the intriguing world of carnivorous plants. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are carnivorous plants? Well, these are plants that obtain nutrients not only from the soil and the sun, but also from trapping and consuming animals, primarily insects. Quite an unusual diet for a plant, wouldn't you say? Carnivorous plants are a marvel of evolution, having developed unique adaptations to survive in nutrient-poor environments. They've turned the food chain on its head, becoming predators instead of prey. They lure, trap, kill, and digest their prey, using mechanisms that are as diverse as they are ingenious. These plants are found all over the world, flourishing in a variety of habitats, from the bogs of North America to the rainforests of South America, from the heaths of Europe to the wetlands of Asia. But today we're going to focus on a continent that boasts a remarkable range of these plants: Australia. Australia, with its varied climates and unique ecosystems, is home to some of the most fascinating carnivorous plants on the planet. From the swamps of Western Australia to the rainforests of Queensland, these intriguing organisms have found ingenious ways to adapt and thrive. Here you can find sundews with their sticky, glistening traps, pitcher plants with their deadly pools of digestive enzymes, and the enigmatic bladderworts, which use a vacuum mechanism to suck in their prey. Each of these plants has a captivating story to tell, a story of survival and adaptation in some of the harshest environments on Earth. So, buckle up as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of these Australian carnivorous plants. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable organisms and explore a side of nature that's as beautiful as it is deadly. Ever wonder why some plants turn to a carnivorous lifestyle? It all comes down to survival. In the grand scheme of life, every organism has its own set of survival strategies. For most plants, photosynthesis is their ticket to life. They bask in the sun, absorbing its rays, and convert that into the energy they need to grow. But some plants, the carnivorous ones, have evolved a different strategy. These plants live in areas where the soil is very poor, places where the essential nutrients are scarce. When the soil can't provide what they need, they have to get creative. And that's where their carnivorous nature comes into play. They've developed the ability to supplement their diet by trapping and consuming insects and small animals. This is their extraordinary survival mechanism. You might think, wait, plants eating meat? That's not right. But it's not about right or wrong, it's about survival. In the wild, it's adapt or perish. These plants have simply found a unique way to adapt. Their environment plays a significant role in this adaptation. Carnivorous plants are often found in bogs, heaths, and rainforests, places where the soil is waterlogged, acidic, or nutrient-poor. In these harsh conditions, they can't rely on photosynthesis alone. They need something more, something meaty. Each species of carnivorous plant has its own unique trapping mechanism. Some use sticky surfaces to ensnare their prey, others use pitfall traps, while some have snap traps that close in an instant. But they all serve the same purpose: to catch and digest their prey, extracting the vital nutrients they need to survive. It's a fascinating, albeit slightly gruesome adaptation, but it's a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth. It shows how life will find a way, no matter how unusual or unexpected, and it reminds us that in the end, it's all about surviving and thriving, no matter what it takes. It's all about adapting to survive, even if it means developing a taste for meat. Australia, a land known for its unique wildlife, is also home to a variety of fascinating carnivorous plants. Among its diverse flora, the pitcher plant and sundew stand out for their unique hunting strategies and captivating appearances. Let's first venture into the world of the pitcher plant, also known as Cephalotus follicularis. This peculiar plant, native to the southwestern corner of Western Australia, takes on a rather deceptive approach to trapping its prey. The plant's specially adapted leaves form a pitcher-like structure filled with a sweet nectar. The irresistible scent of this nectar lures insects into the trap. Once the prey steps onto the slippery rim of the pitcher, it's a quick slide down into a pool of digestive enzymes. Next, we find ourselves in the captivating realm of the sundew, or Drosera. This genus, with over 150 species in Australia alone, is known for its sticky, dew-like secretion. Each sundew leaf is adorned with hair-like tentacles that produce a sticky, sugary substance. This glistening dew not only attracts prey, but also ensnares them, leaving them helpless as the sundew slowly digests its meal. These plants have evolved these intricate hunting strategies as a response to their environment. Often found in nutrient-poor soils, they've turned to a carnivorous lifestyle to supplement their diet. They are a testament to nature's adaptability and the survival of the fittest. In the remarkable landscape of Australia, these carnivorous plants have carved a niche for themselves. They are not just plants, but skilled hunters, silently waiting for their next meal to wander by. Their unique survival strategies are a testament to the diversity and resilience of life in Australia. From the sticky sundew to the deceptive pitcher plant, Australia's carnivorous plants are as diverse as they are deadly. The pitcher plant, a master of deception, lures its prey into a deadly trap. This plant, native to Australia, is a marvel of nature's ingenuity, a testament to the survival of the fittest in the harshest of environments. The pitcher plant has evolved a unique way to capture and digest insects, its primary source of nutrients. Its modus operandi is as simple as it is effective. The plant produces a sweet, enticing nectar that is irresistible to insects. Drawn in by the intoxicating aroma, the unsuspecting insects are lured into the plant's trap. The trap, however, is not as apparent as one would think. It is not a gaping hole or a snapping jaw. Instead, it is a hollow, tube-like structure, the pitcher, from which the plant gets its name. The pitcher is filled with a viscous liquid, a soup of digestive enzymes that will eventually break down the insect. The rim of the pitcher, the peristome, is covered in a slippery wax. As the insect lands on the rim, attracted to the nectar, it slips, losing its footing, and falls into the pitcher. Once inside, there is no escape. The inner wall of the pitcher is as slippery as the rim, making it impossible for the insect to climb out. The more it struggles, the more it exhausts itself, eventually succumbing to the plant's deadly trap. The plant then begins the slow process of digestion. The enzymes in the pitcher's liquid break down the insect, extracting the nutrients. In this way, the pitcher plant supplements its diet, compensating for the nutrient-poor soils of its native Australian habitats. The pitcher plant is a testament to the adaptability of life, a perfect example of how organisms can evolve and adapt to survive in the harshest of environments. It is a fascinating example of nature's deadly ingenuity, a reminder that life is a constant struggle, a game of survival. The pitcher plant, a perfect example of nature's deadly ingenuity. The sundew, named for its dew-like droplets, offers a shimmering death to unsuspecting victims. This fascinating species of carnivorous plants, found in the depths of Australia, has devised a captivating yet lethal trap. Each leaf of the sundew is lined with hair-like tentacles, sparkling with sticky droplets that resemble morning dew, but these droplets are far from benign. This plant is not just a passive predator. The sundew has an ability that seems almost supernatural for a plant. It can move. Yes, you heard it right. The sundew can actively respond to contact. When an unsuspecting insect lands on the sundew's leaf, attracted by the plant's sweet scent and the promise of nectar, the plant springs into action. The sticky droplets on the sundew's tentacles ensnare the insect, rendering it unable to escape. But the sundew's assault doesn't stop there. The tentacles slowly start to curl around the trapped insect, encasing it in a deadly embrace. The plant then starts to secrete digestive enzymes, similar to our own stomach acid, that start to break down the insect. The sundew, in a process that can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days, eventually digests the insect, absorbing the nutrients that it can't get from the poor soil where it usually grows. The sundew's ability to move and respond to contact is a testament to the power of evolution and the drive to survive in even the most inhospitable environments. It's a fascinating example of how plants, often seen as passive and unresponsive, can actually be active, responsive, and even a little bit deadly. The sundew, a beautiful but deadly inhabitant of Australia's unique ecosystem, symbolizes the delicate balance of life and death in the world of carnivorous plants. Its intriguing hunting strategy is a stark reminder of the complex and often brutal world of nature, where survival is everything and adaptation is key.